Very good morning, everyone. My today's topic is intransitive verbs, which is for class 6. Let us define an intransitive verb. An intransitive verb is a verb that does not require an object to complete the action, is known as an intransitive verb. In other words, an intransitive verb can be defined as when a verb does not require an object to complete its meaning. Such a verb is known as an intransitive verb. Let us see the first example. The bell rang loudly. In this sentence, the verb rang is acting as an intransitive verb because it does not have an object to complete its sense, and loudly is an adverb. Next example, he is playing. In this sentence, playing is the intransitive verb because it is making the clear sense without an object. Hence, playing is an intransitive verb. And remember, students, is not an intransitive verb. It is the helping verb. Only playing. The verb playing is an intransitive verb. Playing does not have an object, or it does not require any object to complete its meaning. Third example, snow fell yesterday. In this sentence, the verb fell is an intransitive verb and yesterday is an adverb. This sentence also making its clear sense without an object. Next example, we failed. हम फेल हो गए. इसमें ये नहीं मांग रहा है कि क्या फेल हो गए. ये अपना सेंटेंस अपने आप में क्लियर कर रहा है. दैट्स वाई failed is an intransitive verb and it is making the clear sense without an object. Remember, students, while identifying an intransitive verb, we do not need to require an object and ask a question what and whom. It makes the clear sense without what and whom. Next example, they work hard. In this sentence, work is an intransitive verb and making its full meaning without any object. Sixth example, some animals swim. कुछ एनिमल्स स्विम करते हैं. सो स्विम इसमें इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है क्योंकि ये किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं है अपना मीनिंग कंप्लीट करने के लिए. ये स्वयं अपना सेंस बना रहा है और कंप्लीट कर रहा है. सम एनिमल स्विम, ये सेंटेंस को देखकर ये लग रहा है स्विम क्वेश्चन नहीं कर रहा है कि क्या और कौन के बारे में. वो खुद से अपना मीनिंग कंप्लीट कर रहा है. डैड स्माइल्ड. इट इज़ मेकिंग अ कंप्लीट सेंस विदाउट एन ऑब्जेक्ट बिकॉज द वर्ब स्माइल्ड is an intransitive verb. It does not require an object to make it meaning complete. Next example, he is died. वह मर गया. So died is making its complete meaning without an object. The verb died is an intransitive verb and it does not require an object. Let us see the ninth example. Many people eat rice. बहुत से लोग राइस खाते हैं. इसमें क्या खाते हैं? राइस खाते हैं. इसलिए वी आर गेटिंग द क्वेश्चन अबाउट वाट. दैट इज़ वाई ईट इज एक्टिंग एज अ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. ये सेंटेंस ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है, यह इंट्रांजिटिव नहीं है, क्योंकि वर्ब ईट के पास ऑब्जेक्ट है। ऑब्जेक्ट में क्या है? राइस। 10th एग्जाम्पल, वाइज पीपल ईट स्लोली। In this sentence, the verb eat is acting as an intransitive verb because it does not have an object to complete its meaning, and it is making its meaning complete without an object. And slowly is an adverb. बुद्धिमान लोग धीरे धीरे खाते हैं। तो ये सेंटेंस अपना मीनिंग स्वयं कंप्लीट कर रहा है और या दे रहा है। इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिना ऑब्जेक्ट का ही ये अपना मतलब बना रहा है। सो सम वर्ब्स मे एक्ट एज एन intransitive and transitive verb also. At last, I give you some homework questions. Question is, underline the verbs in the following sentences and tell whether the verb is transitive and intransitive.